What if you had note-taking and task management tools that were purpose-built for engineers? Tools that could make you more productive by integrating with SOLIDWORKS and leveraging your 3D data. With cloud services, you do. Seamlessly transfer your designs to a lightweight browser application as you head into your next design review. No duplicates or copies, just an intelligent use of your design data available anywhere. Capture all your meeting notes directly on the 3D model instead of taking screenshots from CAD and compiling them in an Office document. Hide components from view for clarity. Add component-aware notes. And sketch directly on the model. Each new set of ideas is captured as a slide and can be referenced later by you or your team. Once your notes are complete, you can create a task for yourself to follow up on later. With a quick drag and drop, you can add the markup and the model. When you're back in SOLIDWORKS, preview the markup from the task to easily see your notes as you make the design changes to your model. When you're done, check the task off your to-do list. And all your design changes can be captured as design branches, allowing you to choose the best design to move forward. Boost your productivity by taking advantage of cloud services, available with new and upgraded SOLIDWORKS subscriptions.